So check this. Here's to me thinking I was gonna be girly. Get my nails done, look at that. Now we're going bait fishing for carp so I can get them all bloody and gross. I'm not very good at being a girl. Going on a trip in Scott's boat today. All right, guys, we're getting ready to head out on the river. Main reason we're out here is to get bait. So we're gonna just let these carp jump on in the boat and collect bait for our tournament. Then we got the cat rod because you never know what could happen. So let's hit the mighty mo. Come on out, Fisher. Come on out, baby. Come on out.
Hi. They're way up.
Oh, I hear them, but they're like, you can't even see them. Yeah. Woo! Oh! Almost. That was good. Oh, that was funny. You're coming. Come on. I hear you guys. Come on. Oh, you can hear them. That is crazy.
They're way up.
Oh, yeah. Got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't fall. You got the precious goods. Oh, that's... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's funny. Ah! Oh, man. Oh. Oh, nice, nice. Oh. Ah! That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. We got two. Oh, I hear you. Woo! Oh my gosh. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. That's freaking awesome. Woo! Yeah. Nice. Nice. That is awesome. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Oh, do it again. Oh! Oh my gosh, that's awesome. We have the bait. Uh-oh. Pops is reeling in Courtney's rod.
He's taking a little drag. He's not usual.
Hey, he might be a goodie.
Mike, I think I lost him. No, he's coming.
He might be
No,
charging.
he's still on that.
We've had lots of charges.
That took 5 seconds. Yeah. Yep, he's coming out. Yeah,
I know I didn't even get another bait cut.
Go this way. Go under this rod.
Ooh, that's a goodie.
Maybe. That took all 2 seconds. So maybe they'd be
Still though.
here. I knew they'd be here. Oh, Courtney rod.
Oh, that's a goodie actually. Hey,
Oh, blue.
that's a goodie. Oh, I'd be happy with that. You think they're cruising through here?
Yep. Yep.
Hey.
It's not, oh, he's eyeless. Oh, no.
Are you just warming up for your 100-pounder? If you caught a 100-pounder on Courtney's rod, ooh, I want to be a fly on the wall for that.
He has to take the rap.
He's taking the rap.
Yep, he's using her full. Oh, Courtney's not here and she caught the fish.
Courtney, congratulations on your fish. Ah, was so mad. Oh my gosh. Those carp, when they were on the arrow and we were holding them and they're like, oh my gosh, I was just dying. Oh my gosh, he's a goodie.
We got a lot of pictures of him. He's small. He's 10.
Bye, Bubba boy, buddy.
Bye, Bubby. See you next time. Good job, Courtney.
We broke it.
That's
No,
awesome.
go for it. I wish you guys every year doing it about this time of year.
Sturgeon on the
Any
river.
big ones this year?
We've had a good number of them, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah,
you
Be careful of those carp jumping up.
I hate bumping, so I'm gonna let them bump their little hearts out, and I'll keep pulling. Okay. You bumper.
I'm a bumper.
You bumper.
Bumping away.
Look at you working hard at the office. My kind of bumping. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that bump and go. Look at him go. That's how you're supposed to bump. We be bumping. But we ain't be catching. Where the fish at? Try not to hit nothing. I seen him try to back a boat up.
Oh my God, those are gold eye.
They are?
Yeah.
Gold eye?
Yeah, there's all 3 of them.
They're just circling the ramp.
Gold eye.
The heck? Riding with my bucket of bait. Well, thanks guys for the bait run.
Yeah.
That's successful.
For us, and I expect some payment.
And expect a cut, a portion of the protein. All right, guys. So we did get one catfish, a few bites. Not bad. Not a bad day. Successful bait run. I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna go home, get these bad boys cleaned up, and hit the tournament. And really only one casualty. I wouldn't even call it a casualty. Like half a casualty maybe? Just like one little slice of the bait knife on accident. Oh, a little glitter. Oop. So just like a half a casualty. That'll still work. I can keep my girliness status, I'd say. Successful bait run.